Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are doing good. Right? Okay. So, in previous class, we have completed that conjunctions, right, in grammar. So, have you all understood? Yes? Joining words. What are the joining words we have learned in previous class? And, but, so, because, or, right? And we are using these joining words. We have joined two sentences, right? So have you all understood the concept? Yes? Okay. So today we will learn the new chapter in grammar. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, you all know that already. Okay, what is the title? Opposites. Okay, opposites. So what do you mean by opposite? So opposite is a word that is completely different from a word that is given. Okay, opposite is nothing but that is completely different from the word is given. Okay, look at the following pictures. Fast, slow. So the opposite of fast is slow. Okay. So fast, slow. Day, night. Day, night. The next one. Old, young. Old, young. Tall, short. Tall, short. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. So, an opposite is a word that is completely different from a word that is mentioned or given. Okay, an opposite is a word that is completely different from a word that is mentioned or given. The sign into. The sign into shows the opposite mark. Okay. The next one, activity. Match the following with their opposites. Match the following with their opposites. So we are going to match. Okay. Okay. So first word is less. Less. So what is the opposite for less? Less, more. Yes, less, more. So we can match. Less, more. Okay. And the next word is open. So what is the opposite for open? Open, close or shut. Right? Here shut is given. So open, shut. So we can match it. Okay. The next one, bright. Bright. Bright means it looks very bright. What is the opposite of bright? Dull, dark, right? So they have given dark. Okay. So opposite of bright is dark. Okay. Bright, dark. The next word, fat. Fat. So what is the opposite of fat? Read all the words. Out, small, empty, above, dark, more, shut, thin. So opposite of fat is thin. Right? So we can match it. Fat, thin. Okay, fat, thin. The next word, in. In, out. Right? In, out. So out is here. So we can match. In, out. Okay. The next word is big. What is the opposite of big? Big, small. Right? Big, small. Where is small? Here. So we can match it. Big, small. Okay. And the next word is under. Under, above. Right? What is the opposite of under? Above. Right? Look at, imagine that this is the table. This under and this one is above. And where is the above? Is here. So we can match. So under, above. Okay, the opposite of under is above. The next, the last word is full. So it is full. What is the opposite of full? Empty. Full, empty. Okay, opposite of full is empty. So we can match it. Okay, full, empty. Yes, is it very easy? Yes, I know. It was very easy for you, right? Okay. The next one. Find out the opposites of the given words from the help box and write them in the blanks given below. So we are going to find out the opposites for the given words, and they have given one help box. Okay. So what are all the words given in help box? True, give, always, forget, no. Okay. So we are going to use these words to fill in the blanks. Okay. So let's look at the first word. First word is yes. Yes. So what is the opposite of yes? Yes. No. Right? So the opposite of yes is no. Opposite of yes is no. Okay. And the second word is false. 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 What is the opposite of false? True. Right? True. So opposite of false is true. Okay. And the next word is take. Take. What is the opposite of take? Give. What is the opposite of take? Give. Okay. Take. Give. Okay. And the next word, never. Never. So you can see this help box and you can tell what is the opposite of never? Always. Okay. Opposite of never is always. Okay. Opposite of never is always. Okay. The last word is remember. Remember. You can use this help box. Okay. What is the opposite of remember? Forget. Right? Opposite of remember is forget. So remember, forget. Okay. Yes. Is it very easy? Yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So the next one, read the following and write the opposite of the underlined words. Read the following and write the opposite of the underlined words. So we are going to write the opposite of underlined words in each sentence. Okay? Yes. So look at the first sentence. A cat and some mice lived in a very old house. A cat and some mice lived in a very old house. So they have underlined the word old. Old house. So what is the opposite of old? New. Very good. What is the opposite of old? New. So new. Okay. And look at the next sentence. The cat caught the mice and ate them up. When she was full, she sat down to rest. So they have underlined the word sat down. So sat is the past tense of sit. Right? Sat is the past tense of sit. Sat is the past tense of sit. And what is the opposite of sit? Stand. Right? What is the opposite of sit? It is stand. Okay? And what is the past tense of stand? It is stood. Okay? Stood. So, it can be written as stood. Stood. Here sat down. So, the opposite of sat is stood. And what is the opposite of down? Down. Up. Right? So, stood up. Okay. So, the opposite of sat down is stood up. Okay. Okay. So, look at the next sentence. We must do something about it. The cat must stop catching us, said mice. So they have underlined the word stop. Stop. So what is the opposite of stop? Start. Yes. So the opposite of stop is start. So S-T-R-A-R-T. Start. Okay. Opposite of stop is start. Have you all understood, children? Yes. Then look at the next sentence. Then a little white mouse got up and said, the best way is to run off fast when the cat comes. So they have underlined the word fast. So we have to write the opposite of fast. What is the opposite of fast? Fast, slow. Right? So the opposite of fast is slow. Okay. Then look at the next sentence. How can we do that? We do not hear the cat when she comes to catch us, said the other mice. So in this sentence, they have underlined the word comes. Right? Comes. So what is the opposite of come? What is the opposite of comes? Goes. Okay? What is the opposite of comes? Goes. So G-O-E-S. Goes. Opposite of comes is goes. Okay, children? Yes. So, the next one. Complete the crossword by writing the opposite of the words given. So, it's like a crossword puzzle. Okay, so we are going to fill these boxes, okay, by writing the opposites of the given words. Okay, so it is across. Across means we have to write from left to right. Okay, across means from left to right. Okay, down means from up to down. From up to down. Okay, across means we have to write from left to right. Okay, so 1A. 1A means one across. Okay, strong. What is the opposite of strong? Weak. Right? Opposite of strong is weak. So where is 1A? Yes, here. Opposite of strong is weak. So across means from left to right we have to write. Okay. So weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Okay. Weak. The next one. 3A. First we will finish across. Okay. And then we will go to the down. Okay. 3A. Dirty. Dirty. So what is the opposite of dirty? It's clean. Right? Opposite of dirty is clean. So where is 3A? It's here. So opposite of dirty is clean. So C-L-E-A-N. Okay, you have to write one letter in one box. Okay, so clean. Okay, the next one 4A. 4A is wrong. What is the opposite of wrong? What is the opposite of wrong? It's right. Yes. So wrong, right. So R-I-G-H-T. Right. Okay. 4A. Next one 5A. 5A is tidy. Tidy. So what is the opposite of tidy? It is untidy. Right? It is untidy. So 5A is here. So opposite of tidy is untidy. So U-N-T-I-D-Y. Untidy. Okay. The next one 6A. Difficult. Difficult. What is the opposite of difficult? Easy. Right? Opposite of difficult is easy. So 6A is here. So E-A-S-Y. Easy. Okay. Opposite of difficult is easy. Okay. Next one 7A. North. North. What is the opposite of north? So east, west, north, south. So opposite of north is south. Okay. So where is 7A? Yes. South. So S-O-U-T-H. TH, south. Okay. And the next one, 8A, old. Old. What is the opposite of old? New. Right? So NEW, new. So 9A is here. What is 9A? Beautiful. Beautiful. So what is the opposite of beautiful? What is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Right? So UGLY, ugly. Right? Beautiful, ugly. Okay. So we have finished this across. Okay. So now we will do this down. Okay. So we have to write from up to down. Okay. What is the first one? 1D, west. West. So what is the opposite of west? So east, west. East, west. So opposite of west is east. Okay, east. So where is 1D? Let's find out. So here. So here is 1D. So opposite of west is east. Right? So we have to write from up to down. Okay? Starting from 1D. So E, A, S, T. Okay? Opposite of west is east. Is it very interesting? Yes. So second D is soft. Soft. So what is the opposite of soft? Hard. Right? So where is 2D? Yes, here. 2D. Opposite of soft is hard. Yes. So H, A, R, D. Hard. Okay. The next one, third D, wild. Wild. So what is the opposite of wild? So what is the opposite of wild? So it can be domestic or pet. Okay. So what is the number? 3D. So where is 3D? Let's find out here. Here it is. So depending upon the number of box, we have to write the word. Okay. So there are 3 boxes. So we can write pet. Okay. So we cannot write domestic, right? So we can write pet. So P-E-T. Pet. Opposite of wild is pet. Next one, 4D, rich. Rich. So what is the opposite of rich? Poor. Right? Opposite of rich is poor. So from 4D we have to start. P-O-O-R. Poor. Opposite of rich is poor. Okay. Next one, 6D. Fast. Fast. So what is the opposite of fast? Slow. Right? Opposite of fast is slow. So this is 6D. Slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. Have you all understood, children? How do we write? Yes? Okay, I hope you all have understood. Okay. 7D. 7D is stand. Stand. What is the opposite of stand? What is the opposite of stand? Sit. Right? So where is 7D? Now here. 7D. Opposite of stand is sit. Yes. So S-I-T, sit. Okay. So with that we have completed this chapter, children. Yes, it is very easy and also very interesting, right? So try to fill these crossword puzzle. Okay. So now you all know the opposites of all the words, right? So try to finish it. Okay, children? Okay. So study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.